With the glute bridge, what we want to do, all right, is place a band around our knees just so we get a little bit extra glute activation. If you don't have one, that is fine, but it does add a little bit more activation to the glute med and the glute max. All right, from there, all right, when we're doing it, all right, we want to be packing our rib cage down, all right, core engaged, punching through hips, engaging our core. All right, breathing into our core, engaging, locking our rib cage down, and then just extending through hips, keeping that tension, all right, through our glutes. All right, common mistakes is that you may put your feet out a little bit too far, and then you may feel your lower back or hamstrings. Bring your feet in too close, and you may feel your quads a little bit too much. So make sure your heels are directly underneath your knees when doing the movement. Now, when we want to weight the movement, we can use a barbell to make it a little bit harder. So getting into position. All right, breathing into our core, pulling our rib cage down, punch through our hips, engage our core. All right, by drawing our chin into our chest, that allows us to lock down our rib cage, all right, but actively pull the rib cage down as well and keep our core engaged and draw it through our hips. Now, one more common mistake that we do see with the glute bridge is that people don't lock out the movement enough. So what you'll see is where they'll just go here like that and not actually engage their glute max very well. So we want to make sure that we're actually driving up into posterior tilt through the pelvis. All right, right up, not half reps like this. All right, so make sure you get the right weight, and obviously mobility comes into this as well, so we can actually get into that position.